Now, nitrogen is one component of air which living beings cannot directly utilize, like human beings or other plants and animals cannot directly utilize nitrogen. However, there is one organism called rhizobium bacteria or the blue green algae. They either live free in the soil or they are in leguminous plants. These organisms have the capacity to fix nitrogen. This is called biofixation. So, nitrogen changes into nitrogen compounds. These nitrogen compounds are absorbed by plants. Plants are eaten by animals. So, the nitrogen compounds through food come to animals. Now, when these animals and plants, they of course form proteins which break down, and what they form is ammonia. This process is called ammonification. The ammonia changes into nitrites, then nitrates, and then back to nitrogen. Now, this part is taken care of by another kind of bacteria called nitrifying bacteria. So, if these are nitrifying bacteria, we change ammonia to nitrite and nitrate, then is changed back to nitrogen is denitrifying bacteria. And the cycle is complete. Some of the nitrogen is also fixed by lightning. Some of it combines with hydrogen and forms ammonia. In the nitrogen cycle, the simplest way to remember it is that there are 4 processes. First is biological fixation, then there is ammonification, then there is nitrification, and finally denitrification. And all these processes are regulated by bacteria. For better memory, let us write down these main points: biofixation, ammonification, nitrification, and denitrification. These are the 4 processes which take place in the nitrogen cycle.